The map of the Black Sea flood. Long before the written word, before nations or recorded kings, there was a flood. It swallowed valleys, drowned forests, and carved a new shoreline where once there had been fertile plains. For centuries, this deluge existed only in legend, echoed in the Epic of Gilgamesh, the Sumerian flood tablets, and the story of Noah. But in the depths of the Black Sea, something remarkable was found: the evidence that these stories may have been memories of a real event. In 1997, oceanographers studying the Black Sea discovered an ancient shoreline nearly 150 meters below the current water level. Carbon dating of shells along that boundary told a startling story. Around 7,600 years ago, a massive flood swept through the Bosporus Strait, transforming a once freshwater lake into the saltwater basin we know today. But long before modern science, someone had already mapped it. Ancient charts, from Babylonian tablets to later Greek reconstructions, depict coastlines that match the post-Ice Age geography with uncanny precision. These maps, some drawn thousands of years before the tools to survey such regions existed, show deltas and islands that only recently became visible through sonar mapping. Could it be that ancient mariners, survivors of the flood itself, had charted the world they lost? Researchers examining the so-called map of the Black Sea flood point to curious consistencies: pre-flood river routes that line up with submerged valleys, ancient trade paths that end at what are now underwater ruins, and depictions of coastlines that mirror the exact contours revealed by modern satellite data. The accuracy suggests first-hand observation. Yet who could have recorded these coastlines when the sea was still young? Some suggest the map is evidence of an advanced seafaring culture erased by the flood. Others believe it was the memory of that catastrophe that seeded flood myths across the ancient world, from Mesopotamia to the Bible, from India's Manu to the Aztec story of Coxcox. The rising waters of the Black Sea may have been the singular event that echoed through all of them. If true, this map isn't just a relic. It's a message from humanity's forgotten dawn, drawn by those who watched their world vanish beneath the sea. It reminds us that even the oldest myths may be the faint reflections of real cataclysms that shaped civilization itself. Help the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing.